When I created the video titled Adobe Express versus Canva, 10 features that change everything, I included 2 infographics at the end. Those 2 infographics were created by ChatGPT. I was so impressed with the results and quality of the infographics that I wanted to share in this video how they were created. By the way, pause this video to read any text from ChatGPT and me. Since I was already working in Adobe Express for the video, I asked Adobe Express using Firefly to create the infographic using only information from the video script. The infographic you see is the result of Adobe Express. It is terrible, except for the background and the colored column, which I liked. I went into ChatGPT and put in the prompt you are looking at. Except for my comment about Adobe Express results, the rest is from the script. Same as I gave Adobe Express. I asked ChatGPT to use the features I liked from the Adobe Express infographic. Here is ChatGPT's response and its results. It would have taken me hours to create this in Adobe Illustrator. For ChatGPT, a minute. I then gave ChatGPT the script from the video as a prompt for the second infographic. The results were amazing. As you follow the script, it follows the infographic's layout. Once again, it would have taken hours to create this infographic. I hope this gives you some ideas for using ChatGPT to create your next infographic.